Which of the following is not the product of dehydration of the given alcohol, which you can't get as a product? Very simple to understand. This is the alpha carbon from which OH is going, and this is beta carbon from which hydrogen goes. You get this product. This is beta carbon from which hydrogen goes. You get this product. This is beta carbon from which hydrogen goes. You will get this product. And the one non-possible product is fourth one. That is not possible. And hence, that is our answer. So first one possible, second one possible, third one possible, as this is alpha carbon and this is beta 1. Beta 1, you get this product. Hydrogen from beta 2, you get this product. Hydrogen from beta 3, you get this product. I think it is simple to understand. Dehydration is basically beta elimination reaction. From alpha carbon, OH group will be eliminated. From beta carbon, hydrogen will be eliminated, and that is dehydration process. Okay? Yes. So fourth one is not possible because it is a double bond coming over here.